Hello traders, Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart. Today June 2nd, Friday market. After 10:45, buy call generated, so green signal. Straight white line, that is our entry point line, buy at 44,086. Above lines are first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. First target is a 100 point, more than a 100 point target, 44,197. Second target is almost a 200 point target. Like this, every day it will automatically generate live market calls. So you just watch the chart, get the call, place the order in your broker account. Like that it works. For plan detail, if you want to subscribe for plan details, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will tell you the plan details in WhatsApp also. Today we have received a buy call, so green signal is going on. Let's wait and see how it works in live market. It's a very slow drag market. Even in this slow market, after 2 hours of the buying momentum, it finally break out the first target range, 44,200 point breakout. So it is more like a 120 point momentum. Like this today, buy call generated and achieved the target. For chart plan detail and subscription detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll send you the detail in WhatsApp. Thank you.